guys, I am making Mocha breakfast oats today. So this is the perfect recipe for anyone who loves to start the day with a bit of a caffeine hit. So what you're going to need for this recipe is I'm using 1 cup of almond milk, but you can use whatever milk you like. I'll be using 1 scoop of the Happy Way coffee protein powder. I've got 1 cup here of rolled oats. I've got 2 medjool dates, which I have pitted and sliced. I have got a couple of tablespoons of almonds, which I've also chopped up, about a tablespoon of melted dark chocolate. So that's what you're going to need to make the recipe. Now, to make it, the way I like to do it is to first mix up my protein powder with my milk. So I'm going to use my Happy Way shaker to combine the mixture. And then I'm going to pop my oats into my saucepan and then gradually add in my coffee milk mixture. So once I'm adding that in, I'm going to continue to stir that. I'll then stir through my chocolate and then add in my nuts and my dried fruit. So that's how we make it. It's really easy and delicious, and I hope that you love it.